change the medium from Hindi to English despite having studied from the first class to the intermediate or even to the graduation. Suppose you have studied from the first class to the intermediate or even to the graduation throughout in Hindi medium. So you must be thinking that at this stage, is it really possible to change the medium from Hindi to English? Or is it really possible at this stage to shift from Hindi to English? Right? My answer is yes, it is 100% possible to change your medium from Hindi to English. The reason being is that, like, suppose if you had been an English medium student and you had been going to the school every single day, so what you were supposed to do in the school, the teacher would have dictated you every single thing in English and you were supposed to write every single thing in English only, and then you would have gone back to your home and after that you would have done the entire homework in English only. So your mind will start thinking in English, right, automatically, and then the next day when you go to attend the school next day, the teacher would ask you, okay, I have taught you this yesterday, so speak that to me. Okay, right? So you will be speaking also in English because you will think, right? So in this particular way, you might be thinking that, okay, I may have missed being an Hindi medium student. अब इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप इंग्लिश मीडियम के स्टूडेंट रहे होंगे या आप हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट जब स्कूल जाएंगे तो आपको हिंदी मीडियम में ही बोला जाता है, जो भी कुछ बोला जाता है, आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन या समझाया जाता है, फिर आप हिंदी में ही लिखते हो, तो आपके माइंड की प्रोसेसिंग, थिंकिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ हैबिट, एक आदत पड़ जाती है हिंदी में लिखने की, ठीक है। बट हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, हम उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन अपने लाइफ का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन आप ले रहे हैं कि मैं सिविल